When you are stressed, do you grab a bag of chips or a tub of ice cream? Binge eating is an easy way of coping with stress for many, but have you ever wondered what happens in our bodies when we are stressed? How does it manage it? Our bodies need a variety of hormones to keep us healthy and manage stress. One such hormone that does this is cortisol levels shoot up substantially. This matter because elevate cortisol levels can damage your body slowly and permanently. It can cause increased blood glucose levels, high blood pressure, weak muscles, fragile bones, and excessive fat deposits around the belly. In today's video, we will explore foods that keep your cortisol levels balanced. Does tea calm you down? Can eggs be the ultimate answer? We are discussing all of that and more. Eggs. Eggs are one of the most undefeated food that help you meet your daily nutritional requirements. Eggs contain quality protein, essential vitamins, omega-3 fatty acids, and low cholesterol tryptophan, iron, and vitamin B12 are nutrients that aid in reducing anxiety and depression. Additionally, bine, a brain boosting compound in eggs, can reduce cortisol. Eggs are a complete source of high quality protein containing all 9 essential amino acids necessary for proper bodily function. Protein aids in stabilizing blood sugar levels, preventing energy crashes that can exacerbate stress. Furthermore, eggs are a good source of choline, a nutrient vital for brain health and cognitive function, which can contribute to a sense of calmness and well-being. Fatty fish. Fish, salmons, mackerel, and sardines are the most acceptable sources of EPA and DHA. These are the two most important omega-3 fatty acids. Don't confuse these fatty acids with bad fats. Trans fats found in French fries, pizza, cakes, cookies, and pies can negatively impact your stress levels. The good fatty acids from fish deliver healthy benefits for your heart, brain, lungs, and blood circulation. Research shows omega-3s can lower overall cortisol levels in stressed folks. Nuts and seeds. Seeds, pumpkin, chia, flax seeds, sesame seeds, and sunflower seeds pack a punch of omega-3 fatty acids. They contain a ton of other minerals like magnesium and potassium. 2 Potassium reduce blood pressure and manage stress. A few nuts like pistachios, cashews, almonds, and Brazil nut contain selenium. This trace element aids in the fight against excessive cortisol level. Make sure the nut and seeds to your smoothies or make your own granola using this mixture. Want to aid the Asian style salads and stir fries? Just top them with sesame seeds. For the crunch, sprinkle pumpkin and sunflower seeds on baked chicken and fish. Dark leafy greens. Greens are cortisol reducing superstars. Kale, Swiss chard, spinach, collard greens, mustard greens, beet greens, and broccoli are full of nutrients and antioxidants that help fight off disease. They genuinely make you feel energized and healthier. Greens are loaded with managed magnesium, which help to regulate cortisol and blood pressure. They also contain folate and other nutrients that help to release some feel-good neurotransmitters. Spinach and kale have a milder taste and blend into smoothies and juices. You can also use them to make crunchy salads by adding more veggies, herbs, sprouts, and a creamy sauce. Whole grains. Studies have found that increased consumption of junk food elevate blood sugar levels and eventually cortisol. Eating nutrient-dense, wholesome grains will do the trick. Swap simple carbs with complex ones. Bread and pasta made from highly processed flour can increase cortisol levels. Instead, add brown rice to get more minerals, vitamins, and fiber in every bite. You can also bowl street cut oats and use barley peeled. Bananas are a terrific source of fiber, potassium, and vitamin B6 and C. This great snack plummets stressful times by boosting the secretion of dopamine. Magnesium help to relax, reduce stress and fatigue, and reduce cortisol. Blend some almond milk, a dollop of peanut butter and a banana to make this perfect milkshake for your mood. Avocados. This creamy fruit can be eaten raw or made into sauce dressing and dip. It's also become quite essential for smoothies. Avocados contain a high level of vitamin E, folate and beta carotene that boost their stress busting properties. Researchers have found avocado oil to reduce cortisol levels. However, watch the portion size as it's high in fats. Don't have more than half an avocado in a day craving. What do you eat when you are overstressed? Let us know in the comments below. If you like this video, then hit that like button and subscribe Fruits and Veggies.